simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to.
Wala pa sa performance. Kamado na sila.
Ready na. Paano kaya tingin yung second na mag-intermission? Parang umuwi na.
Yung second na nag-intermission, umiinom ng tubig.
Sobrang kaba.
Yes!
Sobrang na siyang kinabahan.
Itago na rin sa pangalang Rock.
Hala!
Vector Midship. The floor is yours. Hey!
Can't be my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Got some words on cardboard, got your picture in my head. Say, if you see this girl, you can tell me I am. So try everybody understand I'm not broke, I'm just a broken hearted man. I know it makes no sense, but what can I do? How can I move on when I'm feeling like you? 'Cause if one day you wake up and you're missing me, and your heart was somewhere else so I can be, and maybe you'll come back here to replace that with me. And you'll see me waiting for you on the corner of the street. So I'm not moving.
Not moving! Hey! Kalma. Wow! Ay, meron pa.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready? It's showtime.
Wow! Go! 3, go! Galing! Bravo! Sige, take your time. Take your time. And mag-wise kayo dyan, ha?
Wow, parang si Arden!
Palakpakan! Dati Prof. Vector Mission Field.
Wow, palakpakan naman! Palakpakan! Ang galing!
Ang galing! Di ba nga? Siyempre, Mother's Day din, kaya gamay. Gamay lang.
Gamay ka ba? Ako gamay lang.
Ayan, so finally, na-meet nyo na yung father ko, guys. Yan, si tita.
Happy birthday daw, Grace.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day po.
Okay lang. Salamat kayo sa inyong kaayo, sa inyong luhani. Agad kayo, salamat. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Jared, you sing properly.
Sitting in the car, listening to love, falling for each other. Make the noise, guys, we listen for childish, the dumb governor. Please go from my mother. Like where you are tonight, like no alibi, I'm all alone. With the love of my life.
Sing.
She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. In your golden
Sing.
Minutes feel like hours.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay na, done na.
My garment's back.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's raining down from me. That I call my heart. Through the dark, you don't know what's been before. But the feelings like you can say it all sounds crazy. They can say can say you're lost in mine. I don't care, so hold me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night that I get back, the colors in my head, a million dreams are keeping me away. But what the world could be, isn't all the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. You know I want you. Hey! Never tried to hide. I know you want me. So don't keep saying your hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards. Fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars?
Silencio.
Ang gwapo!
There we go. Uy!
Daniel Padilla.
Sandali, okay ba kasi Shai? Dito sa lang.
And here's come the AGS, Mr. AGS 2023, Mr. Vodafone.
We are knowing we're love and I were all about that again. You brought me out of the shell. You gave a word to me, and before I knew, there I was so in love with you. Everybody sing! You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I feel. You gave me to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existence. And it all began with I met you. I love the touch of your hand. And when I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I was something good and I'm sure. Love you, reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a reason to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existence.
Babae ka ba?
Babae po ako, mali ka dyan sa inaakala mo. Babae po ako, hindi ako clone, lalong dinikha ng iyong ilusyon. Babae po ako, pag nagkakagilid, tingin mo lang ako'y otak. Porque the bumper ko'y small at ang sukat. Babae po ako, no, no, no. Babae po ako, di ako bakla, 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 bakla. Di ako bakla, babae po ako. Wala nang paliwanagan. Ano ba itong nadarama? O sexy, may pag-ibig na. Totoo ba ang pinatama? It's boy, it feels so good. Wala masama sa'yo, magmulang nakita ka. Wala nang pangangamba, pag-ibig na. Feel this up when I'm with you. What is not the topic ko? Can't wait to connect with you. That is not the topic ko. That is not the topic ko. That is not the topic ko. Nabagkang puso ko'y magkakailan. Nahiwalay sa langitan, ba't ako pinilig? Ganyan ko rin ang pag-ibig. Nahiwalay sa langitan, naglalapit kami. Bakit ang puso'y nagpipigil? Sabi-sabi sa hindi na ng pag-ibig. Sabi-sabi sa hindi kayo ba sa pigil? Sabi-sabi sa hindi na ng pag-ibig. Sabi-sabi kailan niyo ba ako mapansinin?
Thank you! Better night shift has ended.
On my way to life, and I don't know why I'm jealous of the people who I'm not to that I adore. But when I was small, someone promised that they could catch me, and now they let me fall, and now I'm falling fast again. Why do I always take them all when I'm in love? You take the love I learned. But the boy can be also one. That's why I return, turn and walk away. That when I step to my heart say go and find the town. My heart say I find you, and now I'm falling fast again. Why do I always take them all when I'm in love?
Sa kulang mahal, habang iniiyak mabuhit kong kapit, pinabit ko. Kung tayo'y magkakilala, sa iniyang hingin namin sa
tayo'y magkakilala. Di sana binitaw ng iyong mga kamay. At sa paglipas ng taon ako sa'yo ay sumabay. Alalayan at masawalan ka sa huli. Hindi ko iwan. Ikaw ay aking
Kapag ng galing ako sa panagaw at ang naman nahatin sa bating ako kahit na lamang ay naman ako ulit pinarang ko
tanong ko sa aking sarili. Ano gagawin ko? Lahat ng tila imposible. Magkakasyahin ko.
Nalunod sa dagat maliligo sa pula magkakalap ako pagkakasta ng magpuli magbibenta ng mura bakit na kung malumi mo kung mag-aalangaan tawasan na muni-muni dapat di ka dapat takapbahanan na kumakul ang sasabihin ng lahat ng gusto kong sabihin lulusunin ang lahat ng gusto kong sasili mailan na kasagutan natin na hanapin ng mga mahal sa buhay ko ay aking nalakapin lumukod sa ama tumingan lamang ang maling nagawa mabayo wala ang pangalan ng isa malungkot sa kita lalo na kung marami ka pang ginagawa kaya sabihin mo mahal mo siya bago marumi ang lahat talaga kung hindi lang agad tapos bumalik sa umpisa para lang humihin ang lahat at marinig mo kung dapat tapat dahil ang buhay natin ay hirap bilang kung kakilang kung gaano kakiksi ang panahon na kalakan buhay natin ay hirap yan ang dapat mong agap dahil ang kahapon hindi na pwedeng balikan. Pag-ibig ng mundo sa'yo ay sumagay.
Alalayan at masuman ka sa huli. Hindi mo ginawa. Ikaw ay aking kadig sa pinitaw ng iyong mga kamay.
Sa paglipas ng taon ako sa'yo ay sumagay. Alalayan at masuman ka sa huli. Hindi ko ginawa kung ikaw ay aking parang kung ikaw ay aking parang ikaw ay aking parang.
Yes, na sana natuwa kayo.
Ang galing.
Si Ay wala eh. Bumigay. Hindi ka na ko kasi ano, mababang. Akala namin bagong tugtog daw. Oh, dalawa na lang kayo.
Meeting ko na to, dalawa na lang kayo.
Dalawa na lang kayo.
Laban na to. Okay na, sa akin na lang.
Pag-isabi, nag-ano na, negotiation na. Ah, sige, go!
Meeting na lang tayo. Asa mo lang?
Sabay sige.
Ang galing mo, di sila gumagalaw. Ang galing mo, di yan gagalaw.
Consolation prize. Yay! 1,000 pesos.
One more. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
Yung asuka o susuka?
the winner is Team Marlon.
pang vlog. Sam, ayan na. O dali, video. And happy birthday. Blow your cake. Yay!